Hey, how's it going, everyone? Alaric Walters here, and today you probably found this video because you were looking to get more information on bad credit car loans, and it just so happens I found a source that has a 99% acceptance rate that actually helped me get into my 2014 Acura TSX sedan, as well as helping a couple of my family members get approved for vehicles as well, and their credit was way worse than mine. So what I'm going to do is just give you a little more information on this bad credit car loan source in hopes to help you make a better decision as to if this particular bad credit car loan is right for you or not. Now, no matter how bad your credit situation may be, you do have options. I can tell you right now that I've gone through every credit situation you see on your screen right now at some point in my life. I've had bad credit because I just made bad decisions and didn't take my credit seriously, and my credit score just continued to drop because I didn't pay on my credit cards on time. I just kept getting loan after loan and not paying them on time, and I ended up with bad credit. I had no credit when I was younger. I'm going through previous repossessions because I couldn't keep up with my vehicle payment. I've gone through bankruptcy because I accumulated just much too much debt and it overwhelmed me, so I had to file for bankruptcy. I've gone through not having a deposit and being able to put down a deposit for a vehicle. I mean, not everyone has money just laying around to put down as a deposit. Some people wait until the beginning of the year for their tax return. Some people don't get a tax return. I know I don't. So it's like, what do you do? How do you get a vehicle if you don't have a deposit? You got to get to work still. You got to take your kids to school. So, and then you got the situation with no cosigner. A lot of people these days aren't willing to put their name and reputation on the line just so you can get a vehicle. And more times than not, it creates a situation of friction when a financial situation may arise, whether it's, uncontrollable or not, and, the cosigner and cosignee can't see eye to eye, and then the whole deal just falls apart. So it's like, if you're going through any of these credit situations, what do? How do you get finance for a loan? You've probably tried to apply and you've been turned down before. So what's your options? Well, you can get an auto loan approval regardless of your credit history from a Better Business Bureau A+ accredited service that has a 99% acceptance rate. And you get approvals within minutes, not days. I mean, nothing is more frustrating than going to a dealership, working out a deal, and then they're working on financing for you, and then you don't get financed. A lot of times these dealerships don't even bother to call you back or contact you when they find out you can't get approved. They can't get you approved for a loan. They feel you're a dead lead, so they don't even take the courtesy to call you back and let you know. With this particular service, you don't have to worry about that. You get your approval within minutes. And you can actually get the car you really want. A lot of times with car loans or so-called bad credit car loans, you're only able to get approved for stripped down program models or ex-rental cars that don't even have power locks, power doors, a radio, AC, or anything like that. So you can actually get the car you really want. Now, this service is simple, it's free, it's safe and secure, so you don't have to worry about a no-name or fraudulent company just farming out your information to other companies for the sake of generating a lead. No, this is a Better Business Bureau A+ accredited service that's free, and it's designed to help anyone, regardless of credit history, get into the vehicle that they really want. Now, if you want to get more information or you want to apply, you can simply click the link in the description box below this video and you can go straight to the website, get more information, and you can apply. It only takes about 5 minutes to apply, and you can be well on your way into getting to that vehicle that you want. Now, some things to know before you even apply. I just want to be transparent and honest with you. First, expect higher than usual interest rates depending on how bad your credit score is and where you live in the US. Now, some people, it's a 99% acceptance rate that this service has. If you just have like your credit is so bad it doesn't even register on the credit score scale, you may have some issues. But on average, with people with bad credit or credit history, you can expect about 3.5% to 18% interest rate on your car loan. Now, like I said, it's not set in stone. It could be more, it could be less. It just depends on your situation. Next, make sure when you get approved and get a car, you make your car payments on time. These companies consider you as a risk due to your credit history. You got to understand that. You got to respect it. So if they feel at any time they get an indication that you may default or fall behind on your car loan, they're going to be all over you. They're going to be calling you constantly. They're going to be sending you letters. Some states don't allow these companies to call an applicant at work, but they'll go out of their way to contact you just to make sure you don't default on your loan. So just be advised of that. Also, when applying for bad credit car loans, be honest about your credit situation. They're going to find it out regardless, so you might as well save yourself any headache and disappointment and just let them know up front what your situation is. Next, research the vehicle that you want to buy and check on insurance rates too. Once again, save yourself any headache or disappointment by getting the car you want and then finding out it's a lemon. No, do your research. Make sure it's a reliable, dependable model before you even go through with the loan. And you want to make sure that you can afford the insurance before you even buy the vehicle. You don't want to get that vehicle, sign for it, and then find out you can't even afford the insurance. Again, it's all about being honest with yourself and what your situation is and how much you can really afford. Now, to get a bad credit car loans approval within minutes, simply click the link in the description box below this video, go straight to the site, get more information. You can apply instantly. It only takes about 5 minutes and get an answer for your car loan within minutes. Now, if you found value from this video, please, by all means, hit the like button, leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and subscribe to the channel. Again, my name is Alaric Walters. I appreciate you watching my video about bad credit car loans. And again, if you're looking for a bad credit car loan, you've been turned down in the past, and you're getting frustrated, but you still need a car, click the link below in that description box below this video, and you can, like I said, 99% acceptance rate. What do you have to lose? It's a free service. It only takes minutes to find out if you're approved or not. So click the link below and let me know what happens. Have a great day. Appreciate you watching this video.